Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host of Intellect Digest, and today we have with us an interesting budget device from Infinix called Smart 2. In this video, we'll be giving you a quick features overview of this latest offering. So without further ado, let's get started. Infinix Smart 2 comes with a plastic unibody design and it does look like a typical budget phone. It has a 5.45-inch 18:9 aspect ratio IPS LCD HD Plus display which does look quite good. It has an 8-megapixel selfie camera with dual-tone LED flash. Earpiece and some other sensors are also present besides the selfie camera. On the right of the phone we have textured power button and discrete volume rockers. We have a clean left side and top side. On the bottom, this phone has a primary microphone, 3.5mm headphone jack and a micro USB charging port. Flipping to the back, we have a 13-megapixel primary shooter with dual LED flash, a speaker grill right besides the smart branding. The back is removable, and removing the back we get to the micro SD card tray on top and two discrete SIM card slots on the right hand side. Sadly, there is no fingerprint scanner on this phone, but it compensates the same with a mediocre performing face unlock feature. The specifications of this phone are MediaTek MT6739 processor. It comes with 2GB of RAM, 16GB of internal storage, Android 8.1 Oreo, and there is a 3050 mAh battery. It runs Infinix custom skin called XOS Hummingbird version 3.3, which is based on Android 8.1. It offers a bunch of software customization and extra features like theme store. Its face unlock is reliable, but it is a bit slow and can be frustrating at times. It comes with a pre-installed tempered glass protector, but sadly there is no case included in the box, unlike many other budget phones. It has a bunch of bloatware apps which can be removed, but we did observe something weird, which is the launcher of this phone or the app drawer constantly shows some ads randomly. So you tell me, what are your thoughts about this phone? Do let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up by pressing the like button below, and for more such videos, stay subscribed. Don't forget to press the bell icon next to the subscribe button. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Have a good day.